as support of our wider health and wellness programs, the Donald Woods Foundation works closely with schools and other community organizations to promote good choices around lifestyle and behavior. One of our most successful health education programs is the Khwezela Theatre Group. This initiative enlists local school children and community members to act in interactive productions that help communities think about their health and lifestyle choices, and crucially, how these choices are impacting their lives.
There was a poster at the shop near the school in my locality. I found that there was an involvement in drama and poetry. Then I was so interested for that I will add myself to the drama. For that now I'm in the Khwezela drama project. I found it that as that I've always realized to become an actor. This is a great opportunity for me to utilize in an effective way for that one day I will reach the point that I've always thought of.
Drama is interactive, it's tangible, it's real. It makes people to engage with it. It is a physical expression whereby you express yourself physically.
While Khwezela productions are informal and often humorous in nature, they promote engagement with important health topics affecting local communities, including diabetes, sexual and reproductive health, HIV and AIDS, nutrition and diet, drug abuse, and negative peer pressure.
It is something more significant to us. When creating the plays, we involve all the sicknesses that people might get and how the sicknesses can be treated and even the resolutions for it.
Sweetie,
The Donald Woods Foundation works closely with both community leaders and school principals when planning and staging our health education productions. This allows us to reach the widest possible audiences, while also ensuring that our health and wellness messages are accessible and appropriately tailored to meet the needs of the local community.
The Khwezela project was very important, and the characters also were very good in terms of taking the information forward and helping the learners to understand in the community. These learners, they come from the poor-rich area where the information most of the time does not reach them, and then DWF help us in that regard.
What they are now more concerned to is that of why are our plays always about sicknesses. Then it's whereby now I started telling them that we are dealing with health in every heart. So when we are creating these plays here, we give an awareness to you. Then we take the awareness to your families. The families then will discover those things, then they will discuss, whereby parents and everybody can give awareness to the upcomings.
The Khwezela group have very, very important messages in terms of touting the youngers to not getting pregnant in their earlier stages. Also, how do they prevent it to not getting the HIV and AIDS?
Since I started working with DWF, I've realized the essentiality of having drama in my life. And you see things that you didn't know. You become observant.
Drama is another way of communicating. It's a very strong weapon to put a message across. At the end of the day, you know what? It's the drama, it becomes a career to these particular kids.
And now To become an actor is not something very tough. Now that you have think of what you want to do it. So when you action it, this is the only way out for me to reach that hill where I want to be as a greatest actor.
Our first challenge, I think 3 years ago, it was a question of early pregnancy. We were able to fight that one with the community.
After we have made that play in front of the pupils at school, I found it that some of the girls are discussing this. Did you hear that the boy said that if it was me that have just get 2 girls pregnant, I would have gone to seek a job. Now that is our own risk. Why don't we just leave the boys and focus on what we want in order to reach the best thing in our future? They are therefore going to minimize the rate of pregnancy.
You can see these are the bases are the same, and here the bases here are 2. Is it 2? Is that so?
Another challenge that we are facing, it's a non-participation of parents to the learners to come to school. Because most of the time you see at a school-going age, they are roaming the streets, but we are fighting that one. We don't just fold our arms.
My only willing for the Khwezela drama is that I would like to see it expanding just like a train, just surrounding all the localities, including everybody, without any discrimination, just to make everybody feel and treat them all equally.
DWF has made me realize how important life is.
The community that I'm leading them, even those who are away from my ward, they appreciate what Donald Woods Foundation bring to the communities, even in terms of alleviating the poverty, because there is so many youngsters who are getting jobs in this foundation of Donald Woods.